Throughout the whole experience of this renovation, the experience of being in the Signature Appliances showroom was possibly one of the most enjoyable mornings and one of the most stress-free experiences for us, wasn't it?
Absolutely. As a customer, I truly enjoyed it. The experience was very pleasant, was very effective, and I've seen everything that I wanted to see. I touched everything, everything was on display. I felt very comfortable. It was a beautiful experience.
For me, as an interior designer, as a professional, I need a space that I can take clients to where everything is on show, because also time is an important feature that a lot of my clients don't have a lot of. I could go into one space, everything's there. It's this beautiful showroom immersive experience. So all of the stands, the setups have their own designated areas for each brand. You can get the information to know why that particular model works for your needs, or maybe another one, or maybe another brand that's just down the hallway works for you because of what you're after, depending on the size of your home or your family's needs. So I can utterly stand by my advice for you to go into the showroom. It's a great experience. It's great when you're starting your renovation or rebuild journey, and if you're lucky and you go in there, you will smell, and you just have to follow your nose past all these amazing appliances, and you can have an immersive experience and eat something that's coming out of the appliances you might be buying as well. So I think that that's the best advice. Go, touch, smell, taste, and enjoy the experience.